Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 11. Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bachung. Here we are writing here, that is, it is Bachung. This one is Bachung. This is Bachung's father. Bachung's father. This is Bachung's grandfather. This is Bachung's grandfather. Grandfather. What is the question? Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather, right? Suppose Bachung's father age is X years, right? What is given? That Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather. This is Bachung's grandfather. That means Bachung's grandfather is X plus 26 years. That is X plus 26. X plus 26 years, right? And what is given? That 29 years older than Baichung. Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung is X minus 29. X minus 29 years. Again, let us repeat. Suppose Bachung's father age is X years. Bachung is age will be less by how much? 29, because it is 29 years older than Bachung. Bachung's father is 29 years older than Bachung. That means Bachung is age is X minus 29, right? And Bachung's father is X years. And Bachung's grandfather is 26 years younger than Bachung's. Bachung's father is 26 years younger than Bachung's grandfather. That means Bachung's grandfather will be X plus 26 years, right? Now let Bachung's father let Bachung's father let Bachung's father age Bachung's father let Bachung's father's age Bachung's father's age is X years. Therefore Bachung's grandfather Bachung's Bachung's grandfather Bachung's grandfather Bachung's grandfather's age will be X plus 26 years. X plus 26 years, right? And Bachung's age will be and Bachung's age and Baichung's age will be Baichung's age will be Baichung's age will be x minus 29 years, right? Suppose the age of Baichung's father is x years, therefore Baichung is 29 years younger, that is x minus 29 years for Baichung, and for Baichung's grandfather, that is Baichung's father is 26 years younger, that means the age of Baichung's grandfather is x plus 26. Therefore, according to the question, the sum of all the ages of the other three is 135 years. According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, according to the question, x plus 26, x plus x plus 26, x plus 26, x plus 26 plus x minus 29 minus 29, and that is equal to 135. 135. Add this one, x plus x plus x, that is 3x plus 26 minus 29, that is minus 3, is equal to 135. 135. On transposing 3 on the right hand side, we will get 3x is equal to 135 plus 3, or 3x 1 is equal to 135 plus 3 is 138. 138. If you divide both the numbers by 3, what you will get? Dividing both sides by 3, dividing both sides by 3, dividing both sides by 3, we get 3x by 3 is x, and 138 by 3, 138 by 3, that is 3 4 is 12, this is 18, that is equal to 46, right? Therefore, Baichung's father age is 46 years. Now we'll get Baichung's father age. Now Baichung's father's age. Baichung's father's age is x years, and that is equal to 46 years. 46 years, right? And Baichung's age is Baichung's age is equal to x minus 29. X is 46, that is 46 minus 29 years. 46 minus 29. 46 minus 29 years, and that is equal to 46 minus 29. Let us subtract 29. 9, 7, 16, 23, 4, 1, 17 years. That is equal to 17 years. That is equal to 17 years. And Baichung's grandfather age Baichung's 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 grandfather's age. Grandfather's age. Baichung's grandfather's age is equal to 46 plus 26 is 46 plus 26. This is 6. 46 plus 26, that is equal to 6 is 12, carry 1 here, it is 2, 1 5 6 7, that is 72, that is 72 years, right? Therefore, we got Baichung's father's age as 46 years, Baichung's age is 17 years, and Baichung's grandfather's age is 72 years. Now here you see, Baichung's father is 26 years younger, right? Here you see, that is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung, right? That is this one, right? Therefore, we get Baichung's father age is 46 years, Baichung's age is 46 minus 29, that is 17 years, and Baichung's grandfather's age is 46 plus 26, that is 72 years. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.